Amla is just the magic pill you need to boost your overall health. Amla, which is also known as Indian gooseberry, is known for its use in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years in treating and preventing diseases. Amla berries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, amino acids, minerals, polyphenols, and dietary fiber. Incorporating this superfruit in diet in fresh or dried form can work wonders for the skin, hair, and overall health. Amla is low in sugar and high in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and calcium. Due to its rich nutritional value, it is known to offer great benefits to our health. Let's have a look at some of its benefits for our health. Who should not eat amla, and what is the best way or time to consume it? Amla is rich in vitamin C, which helps to strengthen immune functions. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that decreases cell damage and reduces inflammation. It also helps develop protective antibodies and immune cells that kill pathogens. The mineral chromium present in amla can help in the management of diabetes. Chromium aids in lowering blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. Phytonutrients present in amla help fight free radicals that can damage brain cells. Amla also contains high amounts of antioxidants that can improve brain functions and memory. Amla is packed with vitamin C, amino acids, tannins, and essential fatty acids that nourish the hair. Amla oil can help strengthen the hair follicles and prevent the accumulation of dandruff. It also acts as a natural hair conditioner, stimulates hair growth, and prevents premature graying of hair. Amla is considered the best anti-aging fruit. It contains high amount of collagen protein that makes the skin firm and soft. The antioxidants in amla can help reduce wrinkles and prevent premature aging of the skin. Amla is a great source of fiber that helps regulate bowel movement and alleviate digestive problems such as constipation or diarrhea. It also stimulates the production of gastric juices, speeding up digestion and absorption of food, which in turn can help prevent acidity. Consumption of amla is known to improve overall eye health and reduce the risk of developing a cataract, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration. Amla is also known to prevent conjunctivitis. The vitamin C content in amla is great for heart health. Amla is known to reduce several risk factors for heart disease such as high level of triglycerides, LDL or bad cholesterol, and high blood pressure. It protects against oxidative damage linked to heart injury, reduces inflammation associated with heart disease, and prevents the formation of blood clots that can cause heart attack and stroke. Amla is rich in calcium, which is vital in building and maintaining strong bones. The anti-inflammatory properties of amla can help reduce inflammation and relieve pain and swelling in the joint associated with arthritis. Amla is also used in the treatment of bone diseases like osteoporosis. Amla is rich in iron, which helps increase the red blood cell count and hemoglobin levels in the body. It is best to consume amla raw or in the form of amla juice. However, they are often pickled or candied in syrup. Amla supplements are available as amla fruit powder or powder-filled capsules. Amla powder can also be used to prepare tea or can be added to drinks and smoothies. The best time to consume amla is early morning. especially during winters when the temperatures dip. Avoid drinking amla juice at night due to its cold potency and astringent taste. There are several reasons you should include amla in your diet. This winter superfood is rich in vitamin C, often purported to have potential antioxidant benefits. The green fruit cultivated in this season contains 20 times more vitamin C than an orange, making it a healthy and nutritious fruit to add to your diet in cold weather to boost immunity. It is used widely in India in different forms for cooking purposes and medicinal usage. Even though eating Indian gooseberry is highly beneficial for health, it might not be safe for consumption for all. When suffering from some particular condition, it is best to avoid this tangy fruit to keep your symptoms in control. Some people who should not have amla. Amla is rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that contributes to the acidic nature of the fruit. Studies suggest that eating this fruit can be good for reduction in the frequency and severity of heartburn, but for those dealing with hyperacidity, it may work. Eating amla on an empty stomach with a history of hyperacidity can irritate the lining of the stomach and can trigger acidity. Indian gooseberry has antiplatelet properties. That means it can prevent the formation of blood clots. For normal people, it can be good to reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. But for those already suffering from blood-related disorder, eating amla might not be a good option. Due to its antiplatelet property, it can thin your blood and prevent normal blood clotting. Even for those suffering from a bleeding disorder, it is best to consult a doctor before including amla in your diet. Those who have to undergo surgery in the near future should avoid amla for the time being. Eating an excess amount of this winter fruit involves the risk of bleeding. If bleeding is persistent and prolonged, it may lead to tissue hypoxemia, severe acidosis, or multi-organ dysfunction. It is advised to stop eating amla at least 2 weeks before the scheduled surgery. Some studies also suggest that amla may help to lower the blood sugar levels. Although amla is beneficial for people suffering from type 1 and type 2 diabetes, it is not good for those who often have a low blood sugar level or are on anti-diabetic medication. So, it is generally advised that diabetic patients monitor their blood sugar level when having amla and anti-diabetic drugs. So these were some of the health benefits of amla fruit and information related to its consumption. Are you someone who consumes amla every day? If so, share your amla story with me. I hope you liked the information in this video. Please don't forget to share it with your loved ones. You never know, you might be helping someone in need with this piece of information. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.